In order to change the thermocouple type, you press the set and the sideways shift button together for a few seconds until the top display changes and reads level. Now use the up button to select the option level. That's the soft and the PID and the option. When you reach the option level, press the set button once, and the first parameter in the option level is called type. Currently, the controller is set to type K, but you can use the up and down buttons to change it from K to any type thermocouple that you require. The next parameter is the unit parameter, which as you can see is set to degrees C. You can change this to degrees Fahrenheit, but we'll leave it on degrees C for this demonstration. Now press the set button once, and the next parameter is where, if you want a decimal point, you would choose it. Now press the set button again, and the next parameter is called the action parameter. This will be reverse for heating and always direct for cooling. Now press the set button again, and the next parameter is called low limit of your measuring range. This is currently set to 0, and I would suggest that you always leave it on 0 unless you are using temperatures below that, in which case you would obviously set that to suit your application. The next parameter is the high limit of your range. If you are working, say, at a temperature of 200 degrees C, you would want to make the high limit about 400. It is important to do this because that will give you a better resolution of control and ultimately better control. To do this, press the sideways shift button until you highlight the hundreds digit, then use the down button and change it to 4. In our case, we want it to be 400. Having set the high limit at 400, now push the set button once and you move on to the next parameter, which you should leave unchanged. We have completed setting the thermocouple type and range, so now push the set and the outside button, the up button together, and it returns to the normal position so you can continue with your controller.